Taking a gondola ride in Venice is iconic. So here are the 3 things I wish I knew before I went. You don't have to go to like a specific location. There are gondolier stations dropping people off and picking them up all over the city. These canals are bustling, so you can have bumper to bumper traffic similar to a vehicle, but it's so fun to watch them joke around with each other. I also would not try to bargain. The price is set depending on if you go in the middle of the afternoon or if you're going later in the evening. There was a family of 4 ahead of us who was contemplating whether they were going to pay that price or not, and so the gondolier just skipped them and had us come right on the boat. Prices are per person and can range anywhere from like $90 to $120. However, through Get Your Guide, I was able to find a deal for only $65 per person, which also included a walking tour. Absolutely perfect for a single day itinerary. This is something you definitely don't want to miss.